Article 15. Have I unintentionally contributed to casteism? Move aside. Let him go inside to clean the toilet. I don't remember how many times I have heard my mother say this and not said anything. It never occurred to me, way back in school and college, that the remark was directed at a person from a lower caste. I remember when I was about 14 or 15, my next door neighbor slapped her 2-year-old son when he playfully touched the toilet cleaner's thighs. I witnessed the incident but said nothing. I heard my friend's mother ask the maid what caste she belonged to before hiring her, and yet I said nothing. A few months previously, my aunt very proudly told me her housing society has a separate lift for house help. When she showed me the lift, I decided it was time to finally speak out. I told her that it was discriminatory and should not be practiced. She defended herself, saying, "This is safe. I don't want to travel with cleaners in the lift." To that, I once again said nothing. Watching Article 15 was like having these instances fall in place, leaving me wondering why I hadn't said anything or done anything earlier. I was angry at myself, not for having partaken in discriminating against someone, but for not having done enough to stop the same from happening. Thankfully, my parents had never sat me down and lectured me about caste or religion. Growing up in Kolkata, the only distinction I knew to exist was between Bengalis and non Bengalis. While watching the film, I constantly drew parallels between Ayushmann Khurrana and myself with respect to our professional experiences. Khurrana is an IPS officer in the film whose first posting is in a small UP town. While he is obviously aware of the caste system, he only sees it up close while on duty. I too witnessed the caste system when I moved to Delhi for work. Delhi taught me what caste is, how it does or should matter. A popular Delhi saying goes, "Delhi का अपना कोई नहीं, सब बाहर के हैं." My run-in with the police as a rookie reporter working with NDTV brought home the ground reality of caste. A cop to me, "आइए मैडम, क्या नाम है आपका?" I replied, "पूनम." Cop said, "पूनम, आप कहाँ से हैं?" I replied, "NDTV से, सर, रिपोर्टर हूँ." Cop, वो तो पता है, कांस्टेबल ने बताया, लेकिन कहाँ से हैं आप? I again replied, "सर, यहीं से, दिल्ली, लाजपत नगर में घर है." By this time, the cop was pretty certain I was a fool who didn't understand the question. कहाँ से हैं आप? Cop again. अच्छा, क्या बताया आपने अपना पूरा नाम, पूनम क्या? I replied, "पूनम अग्रवाल, sir." Cop said, अच्छा, तो आप बनिया हैं, राजस्थान से? I said, मैं तो कोलकाता से हूँ, सर. Forefathers होंगे. I faced a few similar incidents and discussed them with my friends who are also journalists. One of them said, they wanted to know your caste so they could know who they are talking to. Another said, if the officer or bureaucrat realizes you are from their community, city, or state, they will instantly be more comfortable while talking to you and even share information with you, which otherwise would take a while to find sources for. Like Ayushmann Khurrana in Article 15, when he was lectured about caste by his junior, I shouted, "What's going on?" A few years later, during a meeting with a senior CBI officer who was from Rajasthan, this interaction happened. CBI officer to me, "कहाँ से हो?" I replied, "Sir, my surname is Agarwal." CBI officer, "Okay, so you are from Rajasthan." I replied, Sir, it's slightly complicated. I grew up in Kolkata, so I'm practically Bengali and can speak Bengali better than Bengalis in Delhi do. My father was born in Varanasi, so I am from UP as well. My nani was from Balia, which is on the UP Bihar border, so thoda Bihar hai. But my grandfather's father was from Jaipur in Rajasthan. Sir, as you know, all Agarwals are originally from Hisar in Haryana. But now, sir, I'm more or less a Delhi wala. If you thought an answer as lengthy as this would have satisfied the CBI officer, hold on, because no, it did not. The officer said, Was your grandfather's father from Jaipur? I replied, Sir, he was from a small village next to Jaipur. I am unable to recall its name right now. I didn't have back then what I have now, the response. Why do you want to know kahan se hain? Does it make me any more or less of a journalist? A scene in Article 15 depicts Kumud Mishra, who plays a cop from a low caste, asking Ayushman Khurrana, an upper caste senior cop, to not take food from his plate. The former immediately says, अरे नहीं, मैं आपके लिए दूसरे प्लेट में ला देता हूँ. The scene pushed me to think if I had a colleague who belongs to a low caste, or if I had ever wondered whom I take food from. I couldn't, however, answer definitively as I had never cared to check or ask someone's caste. In the same vein, I would like to share another incident. On a cold evening in Delhi, my camera person and I went to meet a victim's family in a slum area. They lived in a one room house. We were welcomed inside, and after we were both settled on small tools, they asked us if we would like to have a cup of tea. Of course, we did, and we said so. One of them was about to prepare tea when they were stopped, and their son was asked to step out to get 2 cups of tea and biscuits. Unaware of the reason behind it, I promptly said, नहीं नहीं घर पर ही चाय बनाइए अच्छे से उबाल कर. The man said, नहीं मैडम मैं बाहर से मंगवा देता हूँ आप कहाँ यहाँ पियेंगे. I replied, क्यों नहीं घर की चाय तो अच्छी और फ्रेश होती है. The man, ठीक है मैडम, with a smile on his face. When we left their place after finishing our work, my camera person asked me, do you know why they wanted to bring you tea from outside? I looked confused and asked him, what do you mean? He didn't want to serve homemade tea in his utensils because he belongs to a lower caste. He must have thought that we might not like it. But poor guy didn't know that he was talking to an ignorant, urban, half Pong and half UPite who read about caste only in books. He added jokingly. What films like Article 15 do is shake you up from your deep urban slumber and bring you up close and personal with what you were previously ignorant of or thought was a thing of the past. We are all aware of the ills of the caste system, but we need to break out of the ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा ही चलता है mindset. We cannot look the other way or let something go wrong on just because it's become the norm, or our parents do it, or our grandparents did it. In the film, Manoj Bawa, who plays a cop, tries to stop his senior Ayushman Khurrana from registering a rape FIR against the urban caste contractor. He repeatedly warns Khurrana, saying, Sir, ऐसा मत करिए, संतुलन बिगड़ जाएगा. By the time he said so, I realized it isn't about tenuous santulan. It's about deferring responsibility by soothing ourselves with ऐसा ही होता है. Today I can say brazenly that our parents were wrong when they asked us to serve laborers in a glass that wasn't used by the family, and we were wrong to follow in their footsteps. It's time to tell them and everybody else the truth. It's time we speak out.